Hello, so the next video in this playlist is kind of a long-winded explanation of how Forge Alloy can be used to create a chat application. So I wanted to go over the TLDR real quick over what goes on in that video so that people don't get lost in details. Essentially what happens is there are two scripts that make this completely possible on the network side of things. There is a chat message here, and there is a chat interpreter here. Those are the only two scripts. And the way that I created those is I right-clicked, create Forge Networking Network Message Script, which brought up this little editor window. I typed chat and checked these two boxes. And those two scripts were generated. Inside of those generated script files, I just added some code. I'll show you how much code it takes to get a network chat application going with Forge Networking here. So we have the serialization and deserialization of the message here. So about 30 lines with using statements and all of that. And the interpreter here is about 38 lines with using statements and all of that. So we just find some object. This is so that we can print it to the screen, and then we send the message, and we go through and we send the message if we're a server and print the message if we're a client or server. So with those two scripts, we're able to build out a chat application. And if you want to know more details about all the extra scripts that went into just making the chat window work, you can watch the next video, and it kind of goes over some other networking principles as well. But I'll show you the chat working real quick in this video. So here I have the two instances. I'm going to hit host inside of the Unity editor and connect on the build instance here. Hello. I'm going to send it. You're just going to see the name is Bill. The name is chosen at random. You'll see in the next video if you watch it. Hi there. Send that. And the name is Bob for this guy. So you can see that that's how a simple chat application can be created with two scripts, and you saw there wasn't too much code in there. And there's also not a lot of boilerplate code going everywhere else for Forge. One of the things, as we said in the slideshow, is we wanted to make it simple to use but powerful enough to extend. So I hope you are interested enough to check out the next video, which goes more in depth about the entire setup of this and kind of explains some of the pieces as it goes along. So thanks for watching. I'll see you guys next time.